Bird machine. Check.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to today's video. Today we got a special surprise for you. So as you guys are aware, we are doing a little car meet on Saturday. It's gonna be a small little get together at the shop. It's gonna be like a barbecue kickback kind of a thing. So surprisingly, Uber has a mobile car wash system. We're gonna try it out today. See how it goes. So let's see. We got a little surprise today. So Aircatch was happy enough to send something out for the BMW. OEM hardware for this doesn't work, and the way I figured that out was I tried mounting it. I locked the hood. Luckily the grills wasn't installed at the time, so I was able to unbolt it, which took a struggle, but now we got the actual hood fasteners, the hood latches. So it's gonna be scary drilling into carbon fiber, but it's gonna look dope. It's gonna be pretty dope. Yo, Jay, what you got in your hand?
Nothing.
Just tape, just tape.
Tape. Oh,
Yeah.
this.
Oh, yeah.
We're doing a TRD wing on the Supra. Somebody say Supra.
Oh, but look at it. Look at that weave.
Don't get Pedro's mug. Don't get Pedro's mug.
How many people does it say to put on the wing?
Four.
Four, apparently.
2 Mexicans, 1 Indian.
And one Indian behind the camera.
Yeah. One's got to record. So this one came off a lot easier.
Y'all niggas scaring me with this barely half on bullshit.
That ain't my fault, dog. Tell Big bro.
He owns the scarf.
I didn't break it. I swear.
You didn't break it?
I didn't break it, man. I swear. Kay did it.
He started it.
I blamed all my shit on Greg.
Send it.
It makes my life easier.
If you get a Supra, you send it, right? Hey, weight reduction, that's what I call it.
I don't like this one.
Alright.
I don't like that one. I need a light for this one.
Alright.
Let me see. What are we working on?
Oh, I don't like that either. Hey, this is broken prior to service.
Make sure you put that on the ticket.
God damn it.
I just don't like that live bullshit right there. Move. There we go. Okay.
I got JD and rust in my eyes. Ha!
Ooh.
I'm gonna say you got it on wrong, but that's just me.
I thought it was the... Okay.
Is it?
You flip it, yeah.
There you go.
Like that.
Is it? I don't know.
No. Like this. Undo. Yeah.
There you go. There.
Yeah. Like that.
That looks better.
You okay? Hey, I got it this side.
Oh.
I'm good on this side.
Jay, I heard you sent it. And there you go. He sent it. Definitely sent it.
What are we doing today?
What are we doing?
Aircatch.
Arrow catcher latches. It literally looks like my car is a drug addict, but it looks like the car just had some cocaine on it. But it's dirty. It's like with all the sanding with the fiberglass, everything is pretty messed up. But everything's good so far. We got all the holes mocked up. Today's Friday. The meet's Saturday, so we got a lot of stuff to go. We got to clean up all the cars too. Clean up all the shop. Oh, this is not gonna be fun. Oh, we're getting the shop all nice and cleaned up before we do the little event tomorrow.